Do you wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do you struggle to stay awake during the day, no matter how much coffee you drink? If you constantly feel exhausted, drained, or low on energy, your body may be trying to tell you something important. Feeling tired all the time is not normal. And it's not just about sleep. It could be your diet, stress, hormones, hidden deficiencies, or even everyday habits you never suspected. In today's video, we'll uncover the real reasons why you feel tired all the time, the science behind them, and most importantly, how to fix each cause naturally and safely. Stay with us until the end, because the final reason surprises most people, and it could change your life. What constant fatigue really means. Fatigue is not the same as sleepiness. Sleepiness means you need rest. Fatigue means your body lacks energy, physically, mentally, or both. Chronic tiredness can affect focus, mood, immunity, productivity, memory, metabolism. Your body produces energy inside tiny structures called mitochondria. If anything interferes with them, poor nutrition, stress, inflammation, toxins, your energy production drops. Think of your body like a phone battery. If the battery is damaged, charging it won't help. So let's explore the real causes. Main causes section. Cause number 1. Poor sleep quality, not just hours. Many people believe they sleep enough because they stay in bed for 7 to 8 hours. But sleep quality matters more than sleep duration. Poor sleep quality can be caused by blue light from phones, late meals, caffeine, stress, noise, irregular schedule. Even small disturbances prevent deep sleep, the stage where your body repairs itself and restores energy. Signs your sleep quality is poor: waking up tired, brain fog, dark circles, headaches, needing caffeine to function. How to fix it? Stop screens 1 hour before bed. Sleep and wake at the same time daily. Keep room dark and cool. Avoid caffeine after afternoon. Cause number 2. Dehydration. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, dizziness, headaches, poor concentration. Your blood is mostly water. When you're dehydrated, blood flow slows, and oxygen delivery drops, making you feel tired. Signs you're dehydrated: dry mouth, dark urine, low energy, muscle cramps. Solution: drink water regularly throughout the day, not just when thirsty. Cause number 3. Nutrient deficiencies. Your body needs vitamins and minerals to produce energy. Common fatigue-causing deficiencies include iron. Low iron reduces oxygen transport, tiredness, and weakness. Vitamin B12, essential for nerve function and energy metabolism. Vitamin D, low levels linked to fatigue and low mood. Magnesium, supports muscle function and energy production. Natural energy support foods: spinach, eggs, nuts, fish, legumes, seeds, fruits. Balanced nutrition fuels your cells properly. Cause number 4. Too much sugar. Sugar gives a quick energy spike, followed by a crash. This roller coaster effect causes sudden tiredness, cravings, irritability, brain fog. Frequent sugar spikes stress your insulin system, leading to long-term energy instability. Fix: replace refined sugar snacks with fruits, nuts, yogurt, whole grains. These provide stable energy. Cause number 5. Chronic stress. Stress hormones, like cortisol, keep your body in survival mode. Short-term stress boosts energy. Long-term stress drains it. Chronic stress causes mental fatigue, muscle tension, poor sleep, hormonal imbalance, weakened immunity. Your nervous system becomes overworked. leaving you constantly exhausted. Stress-reducing habits, deep breathing, walking outdoors, prayer or meditation, journaling, talking with someone you trust. Cause number 6. Lack of physical activity. It may sound strange, but being inactive actually makes you more tired. Regular movement improves blood circulation, oxygen delivery, metabolism, mood chemicals. Even light activity like walking boosts energy levels. Simple rule: motion creates energy. Start with just 10 minutes daily. Consistency matters more than intensity. Cause number 7. Hormonal imbalances. Hormones regulate your energy, mood, and sleep. When hormones are off balance, fatigue can be one of the first symptoms. Common hormonal causes: thyroid imbalance, blood sugar fluctuations, adrenal stress, sleep hormone disruption. If tiredness persists despite lifestyle changes, a medical checkup can help rule out underlying conditions. Cause number 8. Mental overload. Your brain uses a huge amount of energy. Constant thinking, worrying, multitasking, and screen exposure overload your mind. Mental exhaustion can feel like physical tiredness. Signs: forgetfulness, low motivation, difficulty concentrating, irritability. Mental reset methods: short breaks, nature time, limiting screen exposure, quiet reflection. Your brain also needs rest. Cause number 9. Poor gut health. Your gut plays a major role in energy production. An unhealthy gut can reduce nutrient absorption, leading to fatigue even if you eat well. Gut-supporting foods: yogurt, fermented foods, fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, whole grains. A healthy gut means better energy. Cause number 10. Hidden lifestyle habits. Some daily habits silently drain energy. Staying up late, skipping meals, sitting too long, too much caffeine, irregular schedule. Energy thrives on rhythm and routine. Your body loves consistency. Solution: daily energy routine. Simple daily plan. Here is a practical routine to naturally improve energy. Morning: drink water, get sunlight, eat protein-rich breakfast. Daytime: move every hour, eat balanced meals, stay hydrated. Evening: avoid heavy meals late, reduce screen light, relax mind. Night: sleep on schedule, dark, cool room, no stimulants. Consistency is the real secret. Conclusion: feeling tired all the time is not laziness. It's your body sending signals. When you listen to those signals and support your body with proper sleep, nutrition, hydration, movement, and balance, your natural energy returns. Real energy doesn't come from stimulants. It comes from caring for your health. Start with one small change today, and your future self will thank you. If you learned something valuable, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who always feels tired. It might help them more than you think. And comment below: when do you feel most tired during the day?